I can't believe it works now. All right.
You figured it out.
I know. I think I might have the settings too wide on the filming.
Oh, well, that's why we're testing.
And I had it in the harness wrong. That's why it wouldn't work. It wasn't really wrong. But I remember somebody saying that sometimes it doesn't seat itself right on the C port there, or whatever the hell it's called. Anyways, there we go. We're recording. The little lights there. You can actually see. That's awesome. It's awesome.
It's awesome, all right.
Oh. So we're heading down to the Restore. This is test tour. I changed the test two. I changed the scope from super wide to just normal wide, and we both seem to be showing up. And the dashboard's right there, but that's okay. It's too far. All right, we're trying a different lens length. Oh, we don't have to flip it either because the whole camera's flipped around. Anyways, we're heading down to the bog, or the bog as they say around here. And just doing a sound check. Sound check.
Check. Sound check.
All right. GoPro, stop recording.